pan-India movement which is happening in about 80 cities, 60 cities in India and 21 cities all across the world. All the animal lovers, we are coming together for this movement. In Goa, it is happening on 18th from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are starting from Miramar Beach and ending at Mandovi Ferry. The main objective of this movement is that we want to ask government to amend the PCA Act 1960. That is an old age act, and we are asking the government to amend this law and get the animal welfare bill into action. And we are asking all the Goans to support us for this cause. According to which there is a fine of ₹50. You kill an animal, you torture an animal, you do whatever it is, the cruelty that is done towards the animal, you pay just ₹50 and you get out of it. But we are not considering animals as a living being. So we want our government to treat animals also equally. So that's why we are asking them to get the animal welfare bill passed. For stray dogs, to be more specific, anti-rabies and sterilization is the most important thing.
Who has told you that?
The government has given sanction and amount to this. All the village panchayats, they come under this. It is their responsibility. If I am a citizen of a particular place and there is a dog which is creating havoc, I just have to go to my panchayat and tell them that this dog is creating a problem for us.
The panchayat doesn't listen.
They have to listen, sir.
If they don't listen,
They have to listen, sir.
then why such things are not being brought up by you?
We are right now, sir, to tell you frankly, we are not an organization. I have made it clear in the beginning, we are not an organization. We are animal lovers who are coming together, especially past.